Excavator-assisted trench channel grass removal. Effectively clearing grass from trench channels is crucial for ensuring proper drainage and preventing erosion. Excavators offer a powerful and efficient solution for this task. Equipped with specialized buckets and attachments, these machines can quickly remove dense vegetation, creating a clean and level base for the channel. This mechanized approach significantly accelerates the process compared to manual methods, reducing labor costs and improving overall project efficiency.